Hi. So for today, we're going to navigate the Diversity Recruitment Partners online portal. First off, we're going to log in. Just enter your registered email and your password. Click log in and then just click here to enter and you will be redirected to this beautiful lobby. For the navigation, you can either use this at the top or the different areas of the lobby. So we have the job board info, the print and digital magazine info, auditorium, exhibit hall, networking lounge, and of course the info desk. On the right panel, you will see this arrow, which you can expand. And here you will see your chats, people that are available to chat with, or online in the job portal. So you can see who are available and all. And also the exhibitor chat rooms, which you can click here and send something to an exhibitor. On the left panel, you will see this blue bar that says chat bookings. If you click it, you will see all of your scheduled chats with employers. So I have one that is added to my calendar so that you can keep track of it. Let's explore to the exhibitors and then go to exhibit hall. So in exhibit hall, you will see all of the virtual booths. Some of them are already completed and some of them are still completing their booths. Try to click one and then you will be redirected to the school district's exhibitor virtual booth. You can know more about their company and also their job vacancies. You can also click their different links to their website and jobs, as well as schedule a chat session. Just pick a date and a time slot, or you can also enter the chat room here. For the booths, you can also see it as a list if you click this button. So this is in alphabetical order to make it more easier for navigation. And then let's go to the job board. So if you click the job board, you will see the job bank, which includes all of the job postings from different employers or exhibitors. You can tag one by one and click this star icon to mark them as your favorite or saved jobs, which you can see when you click this button. So it's here, it's under my saved jobs. Let's go back to the dashboard. So you can either search by job title, city, state, or by employer, take note of their state after the school district name as well, or by date posted. You can also sort by the newest jobs first or the oldest, alphabetically ascending, descending, or in random order. You can also track your applications here. So if you click applications, you will see all of the jobs that you've had applied to. You can also withdraw your application by simply clicking the withdraw button. Next up is the auditorium. In the auditorium, you will be able to access the lined up virtual webinars or events. By simply clicking play, you will be able to be redirected to the different sessions. So in here, we have 3 on-demand sessions. You can also pick the time zone, which is in Central Standard Time or your local time zone. For the lounge, this is where you do the networking with other attendees and also employers. So there will be roundtable discussions, the Zoom room where you can ask questions or instructions, also career coaches and resume writers, and the VIP lounge, which is exclusively for school leaders and HR professionals. In the info desk, you can ask via chat instructions or ask for technical support by clicking this, then you will be redirected like so. So that's it for our general navigation of the Diversity Recruitment Partners online job portal. Good luck on your job search.